Hello everyone, it's time for an update of tonight's weather conditions, and from our satellite loop we can see what's happened so far today. And it remained cloudy for much of the day in KwaZulu-Natal and in the Lowveld, with rain in places, while during the course of this afternoon thunder showers have developed over some parts of the Highveld, down the Drakensberg and into the Eastern Cape interior. We've also seen a couple of stronger thunderstorms in places, indicated by the shades of red. The western parts of South Africa have seen some very high temperatures during the course of today, some areas exceeding 40 degrees Celsius. Now for tonight, there'll still be some light rain around along the eastern escarpments, drizzle and fog developing over those areas. Thunderstorms in the forecast for this evening through the central parts of the country, while it remains dry further westwards. Now on Thursday, we're going to see those thunderstorms redeveloping across many parts of the interior once again, including in the Eastern Cape. Some of those thunderstorms may even reach the eastern coastline. A hot and humid day expected in KwaZulu-Natal across the Lowveld areas, while in western South Africa we will see things cooling down, particularly for the Western Cape, as a weak cold front will be approaching the region. Still a chance for thunder showers today, being scattered tonight over the central parts, including over southern Gauteng, parts of the Free State, down towards Lesotho, isolated across the Karoo and into the Eastern Cape, and we're still expecting a likelihood for some rain over parts of KZN and along the eastern escarpments, perhaps a few showers in the Lowveld as well. And there we can see a couple of thunderstorms towards Mahikeng, as well as into the central parts of Botswana. Now, the South African Weather Service has continued to issue a watch for the possibility of severe thunderstorms this evening over parts of the Eastern Cape interior, perhaps even into the far southern parts of the Free State. Durban tonight will remain warm with a minimum temperature of 21 degrees and remaining quite cloudy. We could still see a few drops of light rain at times. And tomorrow will be partly cloudy, hot and humid, uncomfortably so at times. And there is still a chance for a couple of isolated thunder showers later on. Northeasterly winds continue overnight along the east coast of the country. But as we head into tomorrow, a southwesterly flow will return to Port Elizabeth, and that will become moderate to fresh in the afternoon. Now let's take a look at the minimum temperatures, and it's going to be a very warm night across South Africa. All areas expected to remain above 15 degrees, and especially warm for the Northern Cape and along the eastern coastline, as usual into the Lowveld as well. And our maximum temperature map for tomorrow indicates shades of purple over the Northern Cape, where some areas will exceed 40 degrees Celsius. 39 for Kimberley, also a hot day expected for Gauteng, and especially hot into KwaZulu-Natal, Richards Bay, with a maximum of 36 degrees. Now it will be cooler in KZN on Friday, mainly cloudy with a chance of rain, 27 in both Durban and Richards Bay. And on Saturday there'll still be thunder showers and a hot Gauteng, and George along the south coast will be pleasantly warm with a high of 26.